I am so excited unboxing my Furls birthday gift. One of them anyway. This is my little leather tape measure, zip, which goes in this super cute case. And we have a hook bag. Genuine leather. Slots for all the hooks, a zipper space. Lovely handle. What is in this box? I love how everything comes with a little bag to put it in. This is a drawstring bag. Okay, ready for the inside? We got the tie undone. Unrolling. My little genuine leather tag. And there we have it. Oh, it's so pretty. We have a zipper pouch over here. Put your hooks in, roll it up. Love it. This is pretty nifty. On the pouch bag, you can pull your hooks on the outside as well as the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slots. I have 8 hooks. I'll show you later. And then this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They also have it in a 12 hook size, but I thought that would be too bulky. It's like Christmas for me today. We have Nellis auction close to my house, so I bid on this set of hooks, which normally retails for over $60 on Amazon or Temu, however you say it. And we have anywhere from a 3.5 to, I believe it's an 8mm. Yes. And I thought I would compare these to my Furls. With the Furls birthday gifts, the 4.5s were all sold out in anything that I would have wanted. So this is going to be a good comparison. And it also comes with, did I mention I only got it for $20? Because I bid. It comes with the stitch markers. There's a little thing of cutters in there, which probably won't ever work, and a plastic tape measure. I love the rose gold. It's obviously vegan leather, whereas this is beautiful, beautiful soft grain leather from Furls. But I feel like I'm all set now. Silly me thought I could create my own hook bag out of leather I found at Hobby Lobby. My brain wasn't braining math very well, as you can see, but it was a good solution temporarily till my new ones came in today. These are my hooks from the birthday sale. I got Streamline Matte, Streamline Polished, Resin, Odyssey. I've got a wood and a wood resin. Since I wasn't familiar with the Furls hooks, I wanted to get all different ones to see what I liked or didn't like while they were on sale. And I have to say, each one was beautiful when I opened the box, and they stitch up wonderfully. Nice and smooth and glidey. And I'm surprised to say that I really think I like the matte streamline the best. It doesn't slip out of my hand, and it really does smoothly glide through the yarn. All right, here are the hooks in the pouch, which is kind of like a purse. Notice that once they're in, it all scrunches up, which isn't ideal if you ask me. I think they should have allowed more space. So then you can open the flap and tuck them right inside the bag. Obviously, I need more than one. Huh? So I'm glad I got the other pouch. And I'm gonna assume it's the same layout on the inside, so that might bump up as well. I'm gonna try that next. Once you glide them in, you can't see the sizes anymore, but if you put them in order, I guess you'll know. This hook I had already bought and dropped it immediately on the patio. Concrete. Don't do what I do. Careful when you open your boxes. And yes, that's my objection to furls, is they are bottom heavy and they do fall. But I can tell you, crocheting all day long for days on end, which is what I do, my hand is not sore, and that is very important to me. At my age, things don't work as well as they used to. So there we go. Tuck that down. Love it, love it, love it. And what I do like to crochet is baskets, which take a lot of time, but I like chunky yarn. They go faster. So here's the one I just made with my Furls 6.5. And didn't even plan, but look how well that color coordinates. Isn't it gorgeous? I love this hook so much. And I just have to tie off the inside of the basket. All right. Inserting into the roll-up pouch, they did not bunch up, and I found that I like them in hook end first. They go in easier. So there we have my review of the Furls pouches. Get 'em.